Assalamu alaikum. I am honored to be here. Thank you, sir, for giving me the chance to tell something. Today, I would like to share a real story with you. Here I go. One day, my father informed me a good news that he take to me school the following day for admission. The moment I went into the school campus, I became nervous. My father took me to the headmaster. The headmaster told me to go near him, but I felt afraid. Then he asked me my name and talked to me affectionately. He asked me some questions and I answered them quickly. Finally, I was admitted in class 1. Then I went into the classroom. After 5 periods, the school broke up. My father waiting for me. I came back with him. My first day at school is a sweet period for me. That's it.